Hey, welcome to Rose. Have you ever had issues like these where you have spreadsheets filled with a lot of errors and then you'd have to manually execute those cells to resolve them? Well, at Rose, we just solve this in a huge way. So let's see an example here. In this case, we need to connect our company finder integration. I'm going to do that right away. And as soon as I do it, you'd see that this particular cell is ready to be executed. You also get a toast here through which you can just click run all, and you'd see that all the functions have now been executed. Let's see, there are a couple other ways in which you can have these cells executed in a much quicker and easier way. So let's say I'm just going to re-execute these cells, and you'll see that there are all the error messages. I'm going to go ahead and connect the integration one more time. And as you can see, you can just hit enter there, hover over this error message. You still get to see this rerun option or rerun all. I'm going to say, let's just click rerun here, and you see only this cell gets executed. And if you click rerun all, you see only these four get executed. Well, there's another place through which you can do this, and I'm going to show that one more time. I'm just going to go ahead and delete our company finder integration, and let's just create those error cells there one more time. I'm going to go ahead and connect our integration for one last time. Hit connect, and let's say hit enter. You'll see that this particular cell has now been executed. You can also find similar options here where you now re-execute 5 cells instead of 6. So the moment I click this, you'd have all these cells executed one more time. I hope this makes your lives a lot more easier, and also that you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.